Mga kababayan ko, ayun na, go! Ayun, Super Saiyan Dangongo Edition. Because, nawa-request ako ng isa ko kaibigan para kumanta ng 1251. Kainis. 1251 yun, pre. Wag ngongo. Meron akong isang listener. Alam niyo naman na hindi ako sikat. So, isang listener, isang kaibigan, na nagngangalang si Potpot. Potpot, isa siyang hindi babae, hindi lalaki, pero pwede ring mauna yung babae. I mean, pwede siyang bisexual. Sige na, magdinaldal ka lang dyan, bebe. Ayun. So, ano yun? Request mo, 1251. Walang naitan, nangangongo. Magawa pa ako sa amin. Sipag ko eh, no? Hehe. Bubulol ako. Trying to my cell phone for the 20th time today. Reading the text you sent me again. Do I remember it anyway? It was afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when we bumped to each other, but you didn't say hi to tell us away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I have moved on since that night. 'Cause it's 2021 and I don't know feelings were gone and lying on my bed. Thinking of you again, then the moon shines bright. But I gotta drive me sleep tonight 'cause you're moving on and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. Ooh, 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 ooh. When I saw you with her, didn't you turn another, and the world seemed to crash. I should've thought that you would laugh. Maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I have moved on since that night. 'Cause it's 2021 and I thought my feelings were gone, but mine on my bed. Thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright. But I gonna drive these tears tonight 'cause you're moving on and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. The sky gets brighter and my eyes begin to tire. I'm lonely journey and the memories again. And I know it shouldn't matter as my heart begins to shatter. I'm left to wonder. Feelings return, but mine on my bed. Not thinking of you again, then the moon shines so bright. I cannot get these tears tonight 'cause you're moving on and I'm not that strong to hold on. 'Cause I'll still be wrong, but I can't move on to this song. So much longer. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, Napansin niyo naman, hindi ako magaling kumanta. And, eto pa isa. Lagi na lang ganun ah. Nga pala, yun, 5:30 ako pumapasok, tas, ano, bale, 5:30 ako pumapasok, ang uwi ko, 12. Pero ngayon, paiba-iba. Kasi, minsan late ako. Oo. Dalawa na listeners ko, si Potpot at si Bembong. What if you stole my heart, and I hear waving the time? Let you see the parts of me that were all that pretty. With every touch you fixed in, like you've been talking me off. Oh, oh, things you never say to me. Oh, oh, tell me that you had enough. Oh, oh, love, oh, love. Just give me a reason, just a little bit enough. Just a second, we're not broken this bad. And we can learn to love again, it's in the start. Then we can understand the heart. Sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't understand where all this is coming from. I thought that we were fine. Oh, we had a feeling. All in your mind. Yeah, but it's different. Oh, 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 oh. Love. Oh, I love, I love, love. Just give me a reason, just one little bit enough. Just a second, I'm loving you, and we can learn to love again. Ayaw.